my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today I'm going to be doing a Christmas lights eyeshadow tutorial. This has been done many times before, but I just think it's such a cute look, so I'm going to try and create something new. We'll see how that turns out. So as always, first step is to prime the eyes. And I'm just using the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. I'm bringing it up the side because I'm probably gonna go that far back. Now let's zoom you guys in so you can really see what I'm doing. So I will have all the products that I'm using listed in the description down below. So if you want to know exactly which product I'm using for which step, then definitely take a look there. I will also say the products, but I'm not gonna show them just because I'm already zoomed in. This is way easier. And this way you guys can follow along at the same time if you have the same products or colors. So I'm gonna start with a dark green. I kind of want it to look like I've got a pine branch going on just above my crease. So I'm starting with a dark green. I'm pulling from my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to start in the inner corner and sweep it up. Next, I'm gonna go in with white just on my eyeshadow there. Not my eyeshadow, my eyelid. Oh, look at that fallout. Isn't it beautiful? I really want this to look like a branch kind of laying on snow on my lid. There's a whole story to it. It's very magical. Now to really get that snow effect, I'm going to be applying some shimmer shadow. I've got the e.l.f. shimmer eyeshadow. This one's called Disco Queen. And I'm gonna put that all across my eyelid and also in the inner corner there as well. I really just wanted the white eyeshadow down to lighten up my natural skin color. I wasn't really expecting much from the Morphe 35B white eyeshadow. Played with it before, I know how it looks. Okay, we are all glittered up. So now I'm going to add some branch lines in with my Hank and Henry eyeliner. So I'm going to create kind of like a graphic line going through the green and then have little branches shooting out for the lights to attach to. So to create this line, I'm just kind of following my natural eye shape. Very similar to what I do for my cut crease, but a little bit higher. If you're interested in seeing my cut crease tutorial, I'll link it on the side there. Or there, one of the sides. And now I'm just adding in branches all along the wing and just kind of moving back. Ooh, I really like how this looks so far. What do you guys think? I always love graphic liners. I feel like I have two eyebrows right now. For the lights, I have these little craft jewels that I ordered off of Amazon, and I'm gonna use those as the lights, starting with a big yellow one for the top of our branch as if it was a tree. And now for the rest, I'm going to do an assortment of colors. And then just mirroring that on the other side. Okay, so they're not perfectly symmetrical, but that's fine. I can still vibe with this. Looks pretty cool though. Now I've been a little back and forth on what color I want to do underneath my eyes, and I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like a blue color, so I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just taking a dark blue along my lower lash line. Kind of give it those like Starry Night vibes.
Oh, holy night.
And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Disco Queen and pop it on the inner corner here. Oh, I just noticed there's a little patch here, so I'm gonna fix that. Now I'm just going to hop off camera, finish the rest of this look, and then come back so we can wrap things up. And here it is. So the final look, I think it turned out really cute, even though the branches and the lights on each side aren't quite symmetrical, but I think it looks so cute, and especially with the red lips. I went back and forth trying to decide if I was going to do green lips or red lips, and I even considered blue at one point, but I'm really happy I settled on the red. I feel like this is a very this is a very Christmassy look. If you like this video, if you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy.